In this video, I'll show you a simple and easy way to install Windows 11 inside VirtualBox. As I am using Windows 11 inside my Windows 10, VirtualBox is a free program that lets you run another operating system inside your current one. So, you can run Windows 11 inside your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer without changing or damaging your main system. Make sure to watch full video and follow each step so you don't face any issue. If this video helps you, then make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. It really helps a lot. Now let's start the process. First, we will install VirtualBox. If you already installed, then you can skip this step. Open your browser and search for VirtualBox. Head over to the VirtualBox website. This is the official website of VirtualBox. Click on Download button. If you're on a Windows computer, choose the Windows host option, and the setup file will start downloading. I will also recommend to download the extension pack. Extension pack is for VirtualBox because it contains some advanced features like USB 3.0 and RDP, which are not included by default. Now wait for downloading to be finished. When both files are downloaded, go to your Downloads folder. Here are files we downloaded. Right-click on VirtualBox Setup File and open it. Follow the on-screen instructions and complete the installation using the default settings. After installation finishes, close it. Now open VirtualBox. Go to Extensions tab and add the extension pack we downloaded. Our VirtualBox is ready. Now, to install Windows 11, we will need to download Windows ISO. Open your browser and search for Windows 11 ISO. Open first website. When you are on the website, scroll to the section for Windows 11 disk image. Select Windows 11 Multi-Edition ISO and click Confirm. Choose your language and again confirm. Then download the 64-bit version. Wait until it downloads. I have already downloaded, so I will cancel it. While ISO is downloading, let's make some settings. First, we need to disable Hyper-V because it can interfere with VirtualBox. Open the Start menu and search for PowerShell. Run as administrator. Now type the command shown on the screen and press Enter. This command disables Hyper-V on your system. When it completes, close it. Next, we need to make sure virtualization is enabled. Right-click on the Windows button and open Task Manager. Go to the Performance tab. On the right side, look for virtualization. If it says enabled, you're good to go. If it's disabled, you'll need to enable it from BIOS. I'll leave a helpful video link in the description for that. After making settings, restart your PC. It's time to create our virtual machine. Click on New. Name the virtual machine anything you like. Leave the machine folder as default. Set the type to Windows. Set the version to Windows 64-bit. Now click Next. Now allocate RAM for our virtual machine. The minimum requirement is 4 GB, but for better performance, I recommend at least 8 GB if your system allows it. Now, we will assign CPU cores. It's best to assign at least 2 cores or up to half of your available CPU cores. For example, if your system has 8 cores, you can safely assign 4 cores. Go to Next section. Here, select a virtual hard disk. The minimum recommended size is 80 GB, but if you have enough space, choose 120 GB for a smoother experience. Click Next. Finally, click Finish. Your virtual machine is now created, but we'll adjust a few settings for better performance. Select the Windows VM and click Settings. Under General, go to Advanced, and set Shared Clipboard and Drag and Drop to Bidirectional. Now go to Display. Increase video memory to the maximum available. Next, go to Storage. Click on Empty under Controller. Then click the CD icon on the right, and select Choose a Disk File. Now locate and select the Windows ISO file you downloaded earlier. Once everything done, click OK to save the settings. Now select Windows Virtual Machine and click Start. Windows 11 setup will appear. Now, follow on-screen instructions to make Windows 11 setup complete. Here, choose the Windows version you want. I will go with Windows 11 Pro. Now, select your hard disk and click Next. Now, click Install and Windows will start installing. While the Windows is installing, hit that like button and subscribe if you're finding this guide helpful. Now, complete the initial Windows setup by following on-screen instructions. Windows 11 has made it necessary to sign in using your Microsoft account. If you have a Microsoft account, then use that. But if you don't have a Microsoft account, then you can watch this video on my channel where I have showed you a simple method to skip this step. I will also leave the video link in description. That's it for this video. I hope this guide helps you install Windows 11 in VirtualBox without any problems. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to leave a comment below. I'll do my best to help you out. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.